going to show you how to scan QR codes with your Samsung Galaxy S22, S22 Plus, or the S22 Ultra. Okay, and this is using the built-in QR code scanner. So first thing to mention is you can go ahead and scan a QR code anywhere. It could be on a computer, it could be on a phone, it could be on a hat, a shirt, a business card, it doesn't matter. QR codes will typically take you to it can take you to a website, it can give you a message, it can give you someone's contact information, and so on. Okay, so very simple here. So I just did a quick search for some QR codes on my phone here, and now all you got to do is just go ahead and grab your phone, and then you just want to go ahead and open up camera. Okay, so open up the camera, make sure it's on photo, and it should work right away. Okay, but the first thing is just go up to settings, top left hand side, the little gear icon, the settings, just tap on that. It should be on by default, but just make sure QR codes, make sure that this is toggled on. Okay, so from here, just open your camera, make sure it's on photo, and then we'll find like a QR code. We'll go with this one up here. I'll just put that in there. Oops, let's go in there. Oops, hold on. Okay, there we go. And this is going to bring me to a web address, whatever this web address here. So let me just go ahead and tap on that right there. And this one takes me to this website. Anyway, that's how you scan QR codes. Okay, good luck, guys.